It's amazing how much work you can accomplish after you have a couple of drinks. I just cleaned off the deck surfaces, cleaned off the crap off the top of the piston crowns. I'm using these 6-liter gaskets here. No, I don't care if it lowers my compression. You guys can piss and moan all you want. Engines for testing purposes only. One thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pull the lifters out. Where's my light? I had a light over here somewhere. There it is. Look at all the crap plugging them up. I'm going to pull the camshaft out and the lifters. I'm going to soak them, get it clean. Just because. OCD, baby. How I'm going to do that is I'm going to pull the cam out. I'm going to flip the engine over. I'm going to push the lifters up, pull them out one by one. Put them in my dip bucket. Let them soak in diesel fuel, get all the crap out of them. Throw them back in. This son of a bitch was camshaft I'm referring to is stuck in the block. This is the motor has 220,000. This is a $100 5.3. So what I did was installed a couple of long old water pump bolts. Use your old crowbar here. Give it a little twist and pull. Oh, she's stuck again. I wonder if I pulled a bearing out with it. Huh. It's stuck. It doesn't seem to be. I think I'm just fighting varnish. Just fighting some varnish here. Oh yeah. How'd I make out? Did I pull a bearing out with it? Nope. Stock 5.3 cam. I'm going to clean it up. Maybe. All the lubes look so far seem to be pretty decent. It's going to get cleaned up and I'm throwing it back in the motor. Shall we look at the cam bearings? Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh, I need to turn my monitor facing me so I can see what the hell I'm actually doing. I can't tell if that's varnish or just plain wear. So can I do this from the top down? Probably not. Oh, I can't tell. Alrighty, it's time for me to turn this engine over and push all the lifters back down, and they're going to go into the wash bucket.